Hey, my friends. Quite the title, hey? Shall we? Okay, let's get started. This is going to be super simple because I'm at a friend's house visiting Las Vegas, staying with some friends. I'm not using a blender or anything like that. I just got this here blender bottle. Well, this is residual shake mix from the last one that I had. I didn't clean it out yet. So anyway, I just put some water in here. And so I'm just going to unscrew the top. I like bringing the cinnamon bark oil with me. So this is really the only additional thing I'm going to put in it is 1 drop of cinnamon bark oil. Hey Stephanie, hey Tessa, nice to see you both. So just 1 drop of cinnamon bark oil, that's it. It travels fine. It even goes through, because they're such small containers, you can bring it through airport security as carry-on luggage just fine, no problem. Don't have to dump it out or get rid of it, which would suck because these are not cheap. And some cinnamon bark oil is better than others. In fact, some you can't ingest and others you can. So I'll put a link to the good stuff that I use so that you can get what I'm using. It's good to ingest and all that kind of stuff. So the next thing I'm going to do is get my bag of superfoods shake that I refer to as a chocolate orgasm because it's so orgasmically delicious. So that kind of answers the question, does it taste good? Yeah, it tastes orgasmically good, just so you know. So I do just 1 scoop of it. Boom. Just 1. It comes with this scooper cup, which is really nice. Sometimes I get asked that question. Well, how do I know how to measure it? Well, it comes with a scooper cup. So just 1 scooper cup. And then from there, I put this thing back in there, and then I just shake it for a couple minutes. I'm not going to do the Charleston right now because I'm sitting down, so no dance. Maybe a dance in my seat. That's it, a few seconds of shaking it, and that's all. Just literally water, the superfoods shake mix, and then 1 drop of cinnamon bark oil. Or I could leave the cinnamon bark oil out, doesn't matter. But the cinnamon bark oil is 500 times the concentration of regular cinnamon, 500. And it nourishes the pancreas. It's a superfood for the pancreas, which regulates blood sugar, among other things. So let's taste this. I just had one. That was divine. So there you go. That's my chocolate orgasm. Comes in many recipes, but this one I did simple, plain Jane because I'm on a trip staying at some friend's house. I don't want to use a blender and wake everybody up. And then when I'm traveling, also, I don't bring a blender with me, especially if I'm flying, which was this trip. I flew out here, so I don't have a blender. And just simple plain Jane, and it tastes so freaking good. And it's going to give me really good, sustainable energy and focus and mental clarity and all those things all day too. So there you have it. Hi Juanita, hi Stacy, hi Cheryl, hi Reva, hi Nikki, Leslie, Lisa, Paulette, Lisa, Tessa, Stephanie. Great to see everybody. Oh, and by the way, if you want to see the superfood shake mix that I use, which is the base for all of this, just private message me. I'll send you a direct link so that you can look at it. And if you want to try a bag, I highly recommend it. It's delicious and so good for you. Now, does anybody have any comments or any questions? I know there's about a 20-second delay in this thing, so I'll wait about a half a minute, and if there isn't, I'll just go ahead and end this. Pretty cool, I got a good size audience. I wasn't expecting that. Some thumbs up stickers. I'm going to go off on a little bit of a tangent right now. I hate that stupid thumbs up sticker. Actually, I hate all the stickers. It's like a crutch so that we don't have to have conversations as human beings. Nothing against you that are using it. Nothing against you. I just hate the thumbs up sticker. I think it's so stupid. Hi, Rodina. I'm definitely not tired. I woke up about an hour and a half ago, I would say, and I've just been blogging since I woke up. In fact, I put a blog out there on my Facebook earlier, and I'll put it on my tomberkenmeyer.com website eventually too. Speaking of, tomberkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media. Someone sent me a sad face, I'm assuming because I said I hate thumbs up stickers. Yeah, I really do. Thumbs up stickers are so stupid. All I see the thumbs up stickers are as for something to use as a crutch to be lazy with human interactions. Yes. Okay. Alright, cool. Thanks everybody. I think that concludes this morning's live feed. I'm going to do a video in a bit about something that 97% of us are in complete solidarity on. It's pretty cool. But I'll get into that later. I'll do another video later, okay? So take care everybody, make it a great day, and I'll hear from those of you who want a link to the superfoods chocolate shake that I use. Bye for now. Mwah.